This is how to kill a chicken without it's knowing, without without terrifying it. This is how you kill a chicken. First you gotta be quick, then gotta be quick. See, this is how you kill a chicken. You have to be very quick so that it doesn't I am so sorry, this is food for my family. To all the animal lovers, to all the vegetarians, I'm sorry. This is us humans. We rule the creatures of earth.
Cannibal.
We are not cannibals, we are just hunters, gatherers. It's in our nature. Yeah? 1 minute, wait. 1 minute.
Fittest of the survivor.
Survival of the fittest. Oh.
Yeah.
Chicken head can be hiding.
Oh my god.
What just happened to this cock? Cock.
Oh, kill it. Kuli maryo hai.
I'm sorry, but thank you for your precious life. It won't go to waste. It'll be a nourishment for my children, for my family, for me, myself. None of your body will go to waste. None of your body shall go to waste. I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart, but I have to feed my family. None of your body, none of your meat will go to waste. Because my family
With the kid
will
circle, it's circle. के हुन्छ?
Circle of life. Circle of life.
Biology.
Since we are human, God said that we are meant to rule the creatures, all the crawling things, all the creepy things, all the land animals we are meant to rule. This is one huge chicken. It weighs more than 3 kilos. And it's gonna feed my family for like 2 days, I guess. Because we are a family of 8 or 9 people. We have a huge family, so we gotta have huge chicken. Pure organic, not the poultry one. Grass-fed chicken and all organic, spiders-fed chicken. No chemicals used. Nothing artificial nourishment is used to feed this chicken. All natural. Thank you for thank you for your views. Thank you for your time. I hope you don't mind me killing this chicken. I hope YouTube doesn't strike its guidelines against my content.
पोलेको देखाउनु पर्छ अहिले त
Okay guys,
पोलेको देखाउँदा हामी